Your brain runs a search engine 24 hours a day. It constantly scans your environment, memories, conversations, and experiences for anything connected to what you focus on most. The problem is not that your brain lacks power. The problem is that most people give it terrible search queries. Be more successful. Improve my life. Get healthier. Those are directions, not searchable outcomes. In 1961, John F. Kennedy gave one of the clearest outcome definitions in history. We choose to go to the moon before the end of this decade. Not advanced space exploration. Not improved science. A concrete destination. Steve Jobs did the same thing with the iPhone. 1,000 songs in your pocket. Specific, visual, concrete, memorable. And once the outcome became clear, thousands of people could organize their thinking around it. That pattern appears everywhere. Extraordinary things happen. Clarity first, execution second. Your brain contains a filtering system called the Reticular Activating System. The RAS decides what information reaches conscious attention. Every second, your senses detect enormous amounts of information. Most of it gets filtered out automatically. But when you define a clear outcome, the filter changes. Suddenly, your brain starts noticing relevant ideas, opportunities, people, patterns, and solutions connected to that outcome. You have already experienced this. Buy a certain car, and suddenly you notice that car everywhere. Learn a new word, and suddenly everyone seems to say it. The information was always there. Your attention simply became calibrated to detect it. The same mechanism operates with goals. Get healthier is too vague for the brain to search effectively. Run a 5K in under 28 minutes by June creates a usable target. The specificity matters because the brain needs something concrete to organize around. Architects understand this instinctively. Every building is created twice, first mentally, then physically. The blueprint exists before the structure. Composers hear music internally before the orchestra performs it. Engineers imagine systems before building them. Entrepreneurs picture products before launch. The quality of the second creation depends heavily on the quality of the first. Vague internal pictures usually produce vague external results. Clear mental models produce clear execution. David Allen applies this principle to everything. Not just giant life goals, meetings, phone calls, emails, projects. Before entering a conversation, ask, what do I want to be true when this conversation ends? That question changes how you listen, speak, and decide, and it only takes 10 seconds. Here is how outcome focusing becomes practical. 3 questions, 5 minutes every morning. Question 1, what 3 outcomes do I most want to be true by the end of today? Question 2, what does each outcome specifically look like when completed? Question 3, what is the first physical action that moves toward each one? That process changes the entire texture of the day. Instead of reacting to whatever appears first, your attention already has direction. The RAS begins searching for pathways automatically. Ideas appear faster. Priorities become clearer. Distractions lose some power because the brain already knows what matters. This is not positive thinking. It is attentional calibration. Most people confuse outcome focusing with traditional goal setting, but they are different. Goal setting usually focuses on distant abstraction, 5-year plans, huge ambitions, future identities. Outcome focusing operates at every level. Today, this meeting, this phone call, this workout, this paragraph. The surgeon defines what a successful operation looks like before beginning. The manager defines what a successful meeting produces before entering the room. The writer defines what a finished chapter feels like before typing the first sentence. Specific outcomes change behavior immediately because they change attention immediately. The smaller the time scale, the more powerfully the effect compounds. Here is the deeper reason this works. When outcomes are clearly defined, actions stop feeling random. Work starts feeling intentional. You are no longer just reacting to tasks. You are moving toward chosen states of reality. That changes motivation completely. A vague task drains energy. A meaningful outcome generates energy. Kennedy knew exactly when the moon mission would be complete because the outcome was unmistakably defined from the beginning. You can create that same clarity in your own life. Define what done looks like before starting. Give your brain a precise target.